दिन समान अब
Hey guys, I'm Shreya and welcome to a new vlog. I hope you guys have watched the Goa vlog which I posted last year. It's 1st January today and Happy New Year guys. And we are ignoring the mess at the back. So as you have watched my Goa vlog, you know that I got sick and I couldn't vlog. So here are a few clips from Konkan which I wanted to make it as a vlog but I couldn't. So I'm just going to take this intro and put those clips now. So enjoy the vlog. I hope you like it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's go. We are walking towards the Tarkali beach in Konkan. It's walking distance from our resort. So let's go. There's the beach. So it's a day one in Konkan here and we are at the Tarkali beach and we're just enjoying here. We are going in the water. Let's go. Such a huge wave. This beach is like all empty, so we are just there's just our group over here, so we are enjoying here. Hey guys, so it's a day 2 in Konkan and we just got to know that a train got cancelled from, like we had 2 trains from here to Thane and then from Thane to Nagpur, and the train from Thane to Nagpur got cancelled because of they found the new what is it called, Omicron patients in India. So we don't know what to do, but we still have a lot of things planned, so let's just get our day started. so sunny today. We are at Kunkeshwar Mandir and it's a beach facing temple. We are at the beach behind the Kunkeshwar Mandir.
The next day.
ठाण्यातील एका बेटावरती बांधलेला किल्ला म्हणून या किल्ल्याला सिंधुदुर्ग असं नाव देण्यात आलेलं आहे. 25 नोव्हेंबर 1664